यो सिक्रेट हो, तपाईले कसैले पनि बताउने गरेको छैन।
Prabhupada only wrote one letter to me.
प्रभुपादले एकपल्ट मलाई एउटा पत्र लेख्नु भयो।
He gave me some good advice.
उहाँले मलाई के कुरा प्रदान गर्नुभयो?
Because I asked him, should I get married?
र मैले उहाँलाई नि सोधेँ मैले कसरी मिलाउँ भनेर।
Because I was president in Edinburgh Temple in UK.
युकेको एउटा मन्दिरमा म त्यहाँ प्रेसिडेन्ट थिएँ।
Any water there?
के पानी छ कसैसँग?
So the Mataji Kamalangi, she was good manager. I thought we'd make a good team to run the temple.
त्यहाँ कमलाङ्गी माताजी हुनुहुन्थ्यो, उहाँले चाहिँ मन्दिर चलाउने एउटा राम्रो समूह बनाउनु भएको थियो।
She wasn't very good looking, but it would be good for preaching.
उहाँ हेर्नमा त्यस्तो राम्रो त देखिनुहुन्न थियो, तर प्रचारमा एकदमै राम्रो हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
There was another incident happened, a terrible incident.
त्यहाँ म त्यही थिएँ, एउटा अति नै भयानक घटना भयो।
You want to hear this story?
तपाईले यो कथा सुन्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
This will make you weep, this story.
यो कथाले तपाईलाई रुवाउँछ।
So it was in England, in Scotland, very cold.
इङ्ल्यान्डको एउटा सहरमा हो यो।
Scotland's
स्कटल्यान्डमा।
the north of England.
त्यो स्कटल्यान्ड हो, त्यसको उत्तरी भागमा पर्छ।
Edinburgh is the capital.
त्यसको राजधानी पर्छ।
So we had rented a big hall where we devotees were. Our center was there.
हाम्रो केन्द्र थियो, त्यहाँ ठुलो हल हामीले भाडामा लिएका थियौँ।
On the ground floor there was a market.
र त्यसको भुइँतलामा बजार थियो।
I've forgotten the name now.
मैले त्यसको नाम त बिर्सेँ।
But it was very cold. The temple room was cold.
र जुन मन्दिर हल थियो एकदम चिसो थियो।
In the middle we had a temple of Gaurnitai.
र त्यहाँ मन्दिरको बीच भागमा गौरताईको विग्रह हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
So on the left side the managers used to stay, and on the right side the Brahmachis.
बायाँ साइडमा बायाँ भागमा माताजीहरू बस्नुहुन्थ्यो भने मन्दिरको दायाँ भागमा प्रभुजीहरू बस्नुहुन्थ्यो।
So this was Sunday morning.
यो आइतबारको बिहान थियो,
After Mangal Arati.
मङ्गल आरतीपछि।
And it was very cold in the temple room.
मन्दिर हलमा एकदमै चिसो थियो।
So we had gas fires, one gas fire on the left, and one gas fire on the right for the men, and one for the ladies on the left.
र ग्यासको अग्नि बायाँतिर माताजीहरूको लागि र दायाँतिर प्रभुजीहरूको लागि छुट्याएको थियो।
So devotees were doing their japa by the fire.
मानिसहरू भक्तहरू त्यो आगो वरिपरि बसेर जप गर्दै थिए।
So I went out for a japa walk.
म जप वाकको निम्ति त्यहाँबाट निस्केँ।
And I was walking outside with some trees, and I wanted to walk outside.
र त्यहाँ म मन्दिरबाट बाहिर निस्केँ, वृक्षहरू थिए, मलाई बाहिर मन पर्थ्यो।
So something happened when I was outside.
जब म बाहिर थिएँ केही घटना घट्यो।
It was very horrible.
एकदमै भयानक छ
And it's a lesson for all of us.
र सबैलाई हामीलाई जानकारीमूलक छ।
Because one Mataji, she was called Savitri Pillai.
एउटा माताजी सावित्री पिलाई हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
She was young, actually 16, 17.
उहाँ युवा हुनुहुन्थ्यो, 16-17 वर्षको।
She was from a South Indian family.
उहाँ दक्षिण भारत परिवारबाट हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
So she was chanting around by the fire.
अग्निको नजिकै बसेर जप गर्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
And she had a synthetic sari on, synthetic so-called silk.
उहाँको सिल्क जस्तो देखिने त्यो साडी थियो।
Synthetic silk, not real silk.
त्यो सिल्क मिश्रित भएको साडी थियो।
Bogus. So she was falling asleep. But when I got back,
जब म फर्केर आएँ,
they told me what happened.
त्यहाँ के भयो उनीहरूले मलाई बताए।
Sari caught alight.
त्यो साडीमा आगो लाग्यो।
And she was screaming, and this sari was burning all her body.
उहाँ चिच्याउनु भएर त्यो साडी सहित उफ्रिनु भयो।
And nobody knew what to do.
कसैले थाहा थिएन के गर्ने भनेर।
Actually, what you're supposed to do is to throw on the ground and cover with a blanket.
र त्यसलाई के गर्नु पर्थ्यो भने एउटा कपडाले त्यो साडी छोप्नु पर्थ्यो।
Anyway, it was too late.
त्यो धेरै ढिला भइसकेको थियो।
And all this synthetic sari burned into her skin.
त्यो जुन साडी थियो त्यो साडी सहितले उहाँको छाला पोल्यो।
She had I don't know what you call it, 3-degree burns on the whole of her body.
उहाँको शरीर 3 डिग्रीबाट त्यो जलेको थियो।
So she was taken to hospital.
उहाँलाई अस्पताल लगियो।
And I had to go to the hospital.
मैले त्यसपछि अस्पताल जानु पर्यो।
And it just smelled like burning meat, a restaurant. I went
रेस्टुरेन्ट
into her room, it was like burning meat.
उहाँको शरीरको त्यो गन्ध चाहिँ जुन जलेको मासु हुन्छ त्यस्तै गरी गन्ध आइरहेको थियो।
It's completely, all the face, everything was wrecked.
एकदमै अनुहार पनि कुरूप बनेको थियो, शरीर पनि कालो भयो।
So every day I used to go there and try and encourage her.
हरेक दिन म त्यहाँ जान्थेँ र उनलाई चाहिँ उत्साह दिने प्रयास गर्थेँ।
And other devotees used to go to the hospital.
अरू भक्तहरू पनि अस्पताल जानुहुन्थ्यो।
Gradually she recovered.
बिस्तारै उहाँ निको हुँदै जानुभयो।
So in this state of mind, I was very disturbed.
र मनको यो स्थितिमा म एकदमै चिन्ताजनक थिएँ।
I've been thinking I should marry Kamalangan, and also this Savitri was looking at me like I'm her savior.
अनि त्यसपछि त्यो कमलाङ्गी पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो र यहाँ सावित्री पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो। उनीहरूले मलाई बचाउनु भएकोमा धन्यवाद
So
दिने।
I was disturbed.
म त्यो स्थिति देखेर म एकदमै चिन्ताजनक
So I
थिएँ।
wrote a letter to Prabhupada.
मैले प्रभुपादजीलाई एउटा पत्र लेखेँ।
I said, this is what's happening,
मैले प्रभुपादजीलाई प्रभुपाद
This is
यस्तो
what
भइरहेको छ भने
happened. I said some good things also.
मैले त्यहाँ राम्रो कुरा पनि बताएँ।
Distributing a lot of books. We have new devotees and so many things. I said also good things.
धेरै पुस्तक वितरण गऱ्यौँ, धेरै नयाँ भक्तहरू जोडिने भयो, यस्तो कुराहरू पनि मैले धेरै लेखेँ।
And I said, well, Prabhupada, I'm thinking of getting married,
त्यसपछि मैले प्रभुपादजीलाई सोचेँ, प्रभुपाद मैले बिहे गरौँ जस्तो लाग्यो।
I'm brahmachari.
म ब्रह्मचारी थिएँ।
So then Prabhupada wrote a letter back.
त्यसपछि प्रभुपादजीले मलाई फिर्ती पत्र लेख्नुभयो।
He said, yes, these things happen.
प्रभुपादजीले भन्नुभयो, हो यस्ता घटना भइरहन्छन्,
Even to great Vaishnavas.
महान महान वैष्णवहरूमा पनि,
Even Bhishma Dev.
भीष्मदेवमा पनि।
He had to lie on the bed of arrows
उहाँले त्यो बाणको युद्धको बिचमा पनि झुट बोल्नु पर्यो
for so long.
लामो समयसम्म।
And so he said, please give my blessings for Savitri's well-being.
मेरो आशीर्वाद सावित्रीको राम्रोको लागि बताइदेऊ।
I'm very sorry it happened like that.
त्यस्तो घटना भएछ त्यसको लागि म दुखी छु।
Because I was feeling, it was my fault.
मैले सोचेँ कि मेरो गल्ती हो।
I don't claim to be great Vaishnava, but I was thinking, if I had stayed there, if I hadn't have gone on a morning walk, I could have, done, maybe saved her, because she was falling asleep by the fire. No, and nobody was supervising, and obviously the gas fire is open flame, you see.
म आफूलाई त्यस्तो महान वैष्णव त भन्दिनँ। यदि म त्यहाँ बाहिर नगएको भए, त्यहाँ वरिपरि भित्र बसेको भए, त्यो माताजीलाई त्यसरी सुत्न नदिएको भयो भने, त्यो समयमा मैले त्यहाँ निरीक्षण गरेको भयो भने,
And these cheap silk saris are very inflammable.
त्यो जुन साडी छ अग्निबाट एकदमै चाँडो जल्ने हुन्छ।
Cousin doesn't look so smart,
अरूहरू त्यस्ता धेरै चलाक देखिँदैन थिए,
but cotton doesn't burst into flames.
र यो कटन चाहिँ एकदमै आगोबाट तानिन्छ।
Yeah. So if I had been there, I was feeling guilty,
मलाई एकदमै आफूलाई आफूप्रति घृणा भएको थियो।
I was disturbed by that,
मलाई त्यसले एकदमै चिन्ता दियो।
I was temple president and this happened.
म मन्दिरको अध्यक्ष थिएँ र यस्तो घटना
I
भयो।
was just a young teenager, 16.
उहाँ 16 वर्षको टिनेजको उमेरमा हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
So I wrote a letter to Prabhupada,
मैले प्रभुपादजीलाई पत्र लेखेँ,
opened my heart,
मेरो हृदय खोलेँ।
And then he wrote back, he said,
र प्रभुपादजीले त्यस पत्रमा लेख्नुहुन्छ,
he said, yes, even Bhishma Dev and great devotees, they have to suffer like anything.
उहाँले भन्नुभयो महान महान वैष्णव भीष्मदेव जस्ता व्यक्तिहरू पनि यस्ता समस्याबाट ग्रसित हुन्छन्।
Yeah. And then he said, he said, I have no objection to you getting married.
मलाई तिमीलाई विवाह गर्नमा मेरो रोकटोक केही पनि छैन।
But
तर
better to finish your business in this life as a brahmachari
तिम्रो यो जीवनमा ब्रह्मचारी रूपमा आफ्नो कर्तव्य पूरा गर, यो मात्रै मेरो इच्छा छ।
and go back to Godhead.
र भगवत धाम जाऊ।
And then, at the bottom of the letter,
त्यसपछि
actually, Yeah, the bottom of that letter he wrote,
त्यो चिठीको भागमा लेख्नुभयो
because I had to do a second initiation by sacrifice for one of the devotees there.
त्यसपछि मैले एउटा भक्तको लागि दोस्रो दीक्षाको अग्नि कार्यक्रम गर्नुपर्ने थियो
And then he said, well, make sure you wash your hands and mouth after eating.
र त्यसपछि बताउनु भयो कि तिमीले खाएपछि हात र मुख धुनुपर्छ
This was the confidential knowledge.
यो गोप्य ज्ञान हो
Wash your hands and mouth after eating.
खाएपछि हात र मुख धुने गर्नुस्
And teach others to do so.
र अरूलाई पनि त्यसै गर्न सिकाउनुस्
Because example is better than precept.
त्यसैले यो देखावटी भन्दा पनि उदाहरण ठुलो कुरा हो
Srila Prabhupada King.
जय
We must go wash our hands and mouth
हामी सबै
after this prasadam.
हामीले यसरी प्रसाद खाएपछि हात र मुख धुने गर्नुपर्छ
So any questions? No?
कसै केही प्रश्न छ